All right, I've got a couple different colors of paper. One's okay. My ruler. That's okay if you don't have one, just something to draw a straight line with. Glue, marker, scissors to cut, and a paper clip to hang it up at the end. All right. So I'm gonna take one color piece of paper. I'm gonna use my ruler. If you don't have a ruler, that's okay. Remember, you can always use a piece of scrap paper. We're just using it for a straight edge right now, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw some really skinny triangles, okay? So what we're gonna do is you're gonna take your ruler at the corner of your paper down here. You're gonna move it up just about an inch. Remember, we're just gonna draw a little line that's gonna go up just like this. All right, you see? It's just about an inch up here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a zigzag all the way across. It's okay to just kind of guess, because that's about an inch. It's about an inch up. We're just guessing. We're just gonna kind of draw a zigzag across. All right, so I've got a triangle right here. Again, if you're just guessing, that's just fine, because we're gonna end up folding these over to make an icicle. So you'll see, we're just gonna draw some really easy triangles. And like I said before, it's okay if they're not perfect. It's always okay. It'll still turn out pretty cool. All right, see, so all I'm doing is I see here's the triangle, and I'm just moving the ruler up just a little bit more, making sure it lines up with that point right there. All right, got this one. Oop, that one looks like it's a little, we'll just draw it like this. All right. Okay. So we're gonna make a couple different icicles, and I'll show you how to do that. So let me get my scissors. We're just gonna cut on these lines, okay? So you can be super careful. Just cutting, cutting, cutting. See, it's perfect. It's just fine if it doesn't stay on the line. Just get kind of close. Just as long as we have this kind of triangle shape, that's okay. Okay. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna take two triangles. Two triangles are gonna make one icicle. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut one really quick out of another piece of paper so we can see a little bit easier when I fold it, okay? So I'm just gonna cut. I'm just gonna use this to make it about the same size. And you'll see. So if you want to use two colors, that's just fine. Like I said, I'm using this just so you can see my folding just a little bit easier. All right. All right. So I'll show you just like this. So take your two pieces of paper, and we're gonna make them into an L shape. Okay? So make them just like an L. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your glue and glue just a little bit right here in the corner, or in the bottom. All right. And fold this back right on here. Okay? So you can see how I have two colors right here. It's okay if yours are the same color. I wanted to do it, so we're gonna do lots of folding. I need just a little bit more glue. Okay. So this light blue one is on the bottom. All right, see, the dark blue's on top, light blue's on the bottom. So take this piece that's on the bottom and you're gonna fold it just like this. All right, See, so now this one's on the top, this one's on the bottom. So we're gonna fold it over, and you're gonna fold it over just right around here. You don't have to be super rough with it. See, this is on the top. Now my light color is on the bottom. So we're gonna fold it over just like this. Okay, see again, this one's on the bottom. You're gonna fold this one. Gonna keep going. See, it's on the bottom. Fold it over. Okay, see again, dark one's on the bottom, the light one's on the top. Always fold the bottom one over, just like this. Same here. Fold, fold, fold. See, you keep folding it right along this little crease right here. Okay. Fold. It's okay if they're not the same size, that's just fine. You'll make it work. All right. Okay, so this one we're gonna fold over. So what we're gonna do is, because we have just a little bit right here, you're just gonna trim it. Okay, you're gonna fold it over just like this, and then take your glue and just put a little bit of glue right here. Be careful to just glue it over on that last bit at the bottom. All right, and then you can open it up just a little bit. See how it twisted around itself? See, and then it's an icicle. Just like this, see? So you can make a couple different ones. See, so that's what it looks like from the top. And here's where it hangs down for the bottom. So what you can do is you can take your paper clip. Remember, you can open it up like an S, just like this. And you can just poke it through here in just a little tiny hole. And then you can hang it up. You can hang it up from the ceiling. Some of you still have your tree up. You can hang it up that way. We'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna do it with another one. I'm gonna do it with the two blue ones right here. Okay, I'm gonna do it. So we're gonna do it again, because sometimes it's tricky to see when it's the same color. So remember, you're gonna glue these two together. Ready? Just like this. It's okay if it's not perfect. All right, so we're gonna look close. See, this one's on the top and this one's on the bottom. So this one we're gonna fold first. Always fold the bottom. Fold, see, this one's on the bottom. Fold it this way. All right, bottom goes up. The bottom one goes up. There's that bottom one again. All right, and keep folding. And keep folding. And keep folding. There's that bottom one. Now I'm going kind of quick. All right. See, there's that one right there. We're gonna fold it up. I'm gonna trim just right here. Just a little bit of glue. Fold this one over on the bottom. All right. And then you pull it up. See, there's your icicle. See, and then that same piece, you can put a paper clip, or you can make a little hole and tie some string, and then you can hang them all down from your ceiling. All right.